A car phone mount is designed to hold your device in the optimum position for safe viewing of the screen while driving. They often attach onto your air conditioning vent or have rubber suction pads for attaching to the window screen. Many extensive range of car phone holder is available on the market, that is dashboard, window screen, CD slot, hard set vent and wireless charging car phone holders, which aim to make your in-car journey easier and safer. Now discuss different car phone holder. 1. IoT One Touch 4 Dash Car Mount Phone Holder. The IoT Easy One Touch 4 Dashboard and Window Shield Mount is a universal smartphone solution that is engineered to enhance your driving experience. The one-of-a-kind Easy One Touch mechanism allows you to easily mount and remove your smartphone with one simple hand motion. It is utilized to range, strength and stability of the telescopic arms to find the perfect position for your smartphone. The bottom of mount cradle can be adjusted side to side, up and down, or removed to hold smartphone and cases of all sizes. It is also suction cup. Suction cup can be restored by simple rising under warm water and air drying. It is universally compatible. Include easy one-touch mount, lock and release system. The one of the most important feature is universal mounting. Holds all phone and case combinations from 2.3 inches to 3.5 inches. It is also strong suction. 2. Universal Air Vent Car Phone Mount Holder, updated version by Mangora. The Air Vent Car Phone Mount easily single hand using, put in and take out your device with one hand. It is the most handy and easy using universal car phone holder on the market. It is also special lock mount car phone holder to air vent extra securely so that car mount will never fall out. It is 1 minute easy car holder installation. The special locking clip that clings to the vent plate and the metal tightening thread and put provide absolute friction. Silicone finished surface of a car mount provides firm grip. Car vent mount is compatible with any smartphones. The fully 360-degree rotation of a Mangora cell phone car mount provides you with the best viewing angle. Vent phone holder ensures safe driving whether you are talking, navigating, listening to music or charging. 3. Phenom cell phone holder. It is stronger magnetic phone holder for car. Upgraded version for sturdy air vent cell phone holder compatible with all smartphones. It is also freely 360 rotation car phone mount. Highly flexible 360-degree rotation magnetic phone car mount. Rotate your phone to viewing angles as you wish. Its installation is too much easy. Only once, just clip it to the vent and it can be used. Single hand can put your phone in place in 1 second. It is easy to put on or take off the phone from the magnetic car mount. Easy and no hassle make driving safe and comfortable. Phenom cell phone holder is 100% ensure satisfaction and zero risk. It is available in unique design. Designed with a sleek profile, premium aluminium alloy and strong vent clip blend perfectly with the looks for this car mount. Soft silicone contact protects your phone and car vent from scratches. 4 enhanced niobium magnets and 3M adhesive ensure super strong force. 360 swivel and cradle free magnetic phone holder support safe, easy one-hand operation to put your phone at the perfect angle. Only need 1 second. Tiny car holders for air vent ball. It's absolutely safe and reliable for the cell phone. The adjustable car phone mount always ensures safe driving and full focus on the road without blocking your sight, making the phone call and GPS navigation more convenient. 4. IoT Wireless Car Charger AutoSense Phone Holder. AutoSense means motion sensing technology automatically open and close mount for secure phone installation. The AutoSense is an advanced automatic wireless charging car mount designed to maximize convenience and power on the road. Mount smartphones easily with the AutoSense feature that is powered by a proximity sensor. To mount your device, simply place the phone near the mount sensor and the arms will automatically close to secure the device. One mounted in a sturdy cradle, QI wireless charging technology delivers power to the smartphone automatically without the need of additional charging cables. The AutoSense phone mount is easy to set up and adjust with a strong suction cup that install on your dashboard. The AutoSense features a suction cup that install on window, on windshield or dashboard with a strong hole. It is QI certified. It means QI certified wireless technology charges phone without need for charging cables. 5. Scotch Magnum Magic Mount Phone Holder. It is safely and quickly secure a mobile device to any flat surface in the car, home or office. This phone mount comes with powerful rare earth. It has strong magic mount magnet that provide a secure grip to your device and optimal viewing from any angle. It means 360-degree adjustable head with soft touch rubber. It also comes with integrated cable clip for charging cable and cardless free design. 6. Magnetic air vent car phone mount by Hustle. It is fit for single hand using. Put in and take out your device with one hand. It is the most handy and easy using universal car phone holder on the market. Hustle Air Vent mount is compatible with any smartphone. Its updated version is available in 2020 with 4 ultra strong safe magnets hold. 360-degree rotation of a Hustle cell phone car mount provided with the best viewing angle. Magnetic phone car mount ensures safe driving whether you are talking, listening the music. Like other phone holder, it is also special lock mounts. A special lock mount car phone holder to air vent extra securely so that car mount will never fall out. If you like this product and want to purchase, then click on the link that is below in the description.